Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to use ZKQ automation software to play Clash of Clans. Firstly, you need to download an Android emulator. My recommendation would be this LD player. And you need to install this app and the game into your emulator. Then go to Settings and adjust the resolution to Phone. Select this option. If you do not see this option, you can go to Customize and input 720 into the width and 1280 into the height. Remember, the width should be 720 and the height should be 8020. For DPI, set it to 320. Then go to Advanced Settings. For CPU and RAM, just use the recommended value. For FPS, it's okay. You can either choose Standard or Esports. Do not choose Eco mode. I will choose Standard for now. But the important thing is the performance mode. You must select best graphics. Never select low resources or auto. Otherwise, the app may have some weird behaviors. Then go to Others. Enable this root permission, which is the most important permission for our software. Then now we can save settings and restart now. After restarting the emulator, the ZKQ will start automatically with the system. Oh, maybe not. If not, you can just click it. Then you will be asked to give this super user permission. Click Remember Choice Forever and Allow. If you accidentally denied this request, then unfortunately, the only option to recover is to go to this LD multiplayer and create a new instance. We cannot give this software super user access if you deny it. So we need to choose this option and allow. Then let's close it and reopen it. Okay. You can click here to switch to English. Then input your email. I will just use a test email. Then go to Accounts. Enable the first one. And then you can modify the profiles here. You don't really need to modify it because the default profile is already good enough. After configuring this app, we can pause it for a while. Then go back to the game and log into your own account. Of course, you need to log into your account to use it. But please be aware that do not use this software too often. Otherwise, you might get banned by Supercell. Then we can click Save and Run. Oh, by the way, remember to change the game language to Chinese because I haven't fully support English yet. Change it to Simplify Chinese, this one. And then you can use this software. Now it is playing the game automatically. It's like a magic, isn't it? Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.